Question 1. At an intersection with a four-way stop, who has the right of way? A. The driver who arrives first. B. The driver to the right. C. The driver who drives the fastest. Answer. A. The driver who arrives first. The driver who arrives at the intersection first has the right of way. If two vehicles arrive at the same time, the vehicle on the right goes first. Question 2. When you hear a siren coming, what should you do? A. Speed up and out of the way. B. Pull over to the right and stop. C. Turn your radio up to block out the noise. Answer. B. Pull over to the right and stop. Always yield the right of way to emergency vehicles. Question 3. In Ohio, what is the legal blood alcohol concentration, BAC, limit for drivers over 21? A. 0.02%. B. 0.08%. C. 0.1%. Answer. B. 0.08%. For drivers over 21, the BAC limit is 0.08%. Question 4. When a school bus has stopped in front of a school to pick up or drop off children, you may pass from either direction at a speed of no more than A. 10 miles per hour. B. 20 miles per hour. C. 30 miles per hour. Answer. B. 20 miles per hour. When a school bus stops in front of a school, you can pass from either direction at no more than 20 miles per hour. Question 5. What does a yellow diamond-shaped sign indicate? A. A school zone. B. A pedestrian crossing. C. A warning or caution. Answer. C. A warning or caution. Yellow diamond-shaped signs are used to warn drivers of upcoming road conditions and hazards. Question 6. When making a right turn on red, what should you do? A. Stop, yield to all traffic and pedestrians, then turn. B. Slow down and turn without stopping. C. Turn without stopping or yielding. Answer. A. Stop, yield to all traffic and pedestrians, then turn. Always come to a complete stop and ensure the way is clear before turning on red. Question 7. On a two-lane road, slow-moving traffic should drive. A. In the left lane. B. In the right lane. C. On the shoulder. Answer. B. In the right lane. Slower traffic should always keep to the right. Question 8. What should you do if you are involved in a crash? A. Leave the scene immediately. B. Move your car out of traffic, if possible, and call the police. C. Wait for other drivers to offer help. Answer. B. Move your car out of traffic, if possible, and call the police. It's essential to ensure safety and report the incident. Question 9. In Ohio, you must use your headlights. A. From sunset to sunrise. B. Only in bad weather conditions. C. Only on highways. Answer. A. From sunset to sunrise, in addition to bad weather or limited visibility situations. Question 10. In heavy rain, your tires can ride on a film of water and lose contact with the road. This hazard is known as A. Aquaplaning. B. Hydroplaning. C. Rain riding. Answer. B. Hydroplaning. It can occur at speeds as low as 35 miles per hour and can be countered by reducing speed. Question 11. A solid white line between lanes of traffic means A. You may cross it to change lanes if it is safe. B. You should stay in your lane unless a special situation requires you to change lanes. C. It separates lanes of traffic moving in opposite directions. Answer. B. You should stay in your lane unless a special situation requires you to change lanes. Question 12. A pedestrian using a white cane or a white cane tipped with red is usually A. A school crossing guard. B. A blind person. C. A traffic enforcement officer. Answer B. A blind person. Always yield the right of way to blind pedestrians. Question 13. Before changing lanes, you should A. Check your mirrors and blind spot. B. Turn the wheel in the direction you want to go. C. Increase your speed. Answer A. Check your mirrors and blind spot. Always ensure the lane is clear before moving over. Question 14. If your vehicle breaks down on a highway, you should A. Stop in the middle of the road. B. Park with all four wheels off the traveled highway, if possible. C. Turn off all the lights. Answer B. Park with all four wheels off the traveled highway, if possible. Also, turn on your hazard lights to alert other drivers. Question 15. What is the first thing you should do if your vehicle starts to skid? A. Slam on the brakes. B. Steer in the direction you want the front wheels to go. C. Accelerate to gain more traction. Answer B. Steer in the direction you want the front wheels to go. This can help regain control of the vehicle. Question 16. At a railroad crossing, flashing red lights, lowered crossing gates, or a ringing bell means A. The crossing is out of order. B. A train is approaching and you must stop. C. You can proceed slowly. Answer B. A train is approaching and you must stop. Always yield to trains at crossings. Question 17. When should you yield your legal right-of-way? A. Never. It confuses other drivers. B. When it helps prevent accidents. C. Only when other drivers insist. Answer B. When it helps prevent accidents. Safety should always be the primary concern. Question 18. Children on bicycles should be given even more space by motor vehicle operators because A. They are entitled to share the road. B. They do not have the same physical protection as someone in a vehicle. C. Both A and B. Answer C. Both A and B. Children might not be aware of all traffic rules and might make unpredictable movements. Question 19. In Ohio, under most conditions, on a highway with 4 or more lanes, which lane should you use for normal driving? A. The far left lane. B. The far right lane. C. The middle lanes. Answer C. The middle lanes. The far right lane is for slower vehicles or those planning to exit, and the far left is for overtaking slower vehicles. Question 20. Before turning left, it is important to A. Sound your horn to alert other drivers. B. Yield to oncoming vehicles and pedestrians. C. Turn on your emergency flashers. Answer B. Yield to oncoming vehicles and pedestrians. Ensure the way is clear before making the turn. Question 21. When should you use your vehicle's horn? A. To greet another driver. B. When it may help prevent an accident. C. To show other drivers you're annoyed. Answer B. When it may help prevent an accident. The horn should be used for safety, not to express frustration or as a greeting. Question 22. If you want to park downhill and there is no curb, which way should you turn your front wheels? A. Toward the road. B. Away from the road. C. Parallel to the road. Answer A. Toward the road. This ensures if your vehicle were to roll, it would roll away from traffic. Question 23. An orange sign means A. Stopped, do not enter. B. Warning of construction or maintenance. C. Yield. Answer B. Warning of construction or maintenance. Orange signs indicate a change in road conditions due to work zones. Question 24. When a traffic light turns green, you should A. Accelerate as quickly as possible. B. Yield to pedestrians in the crosswalk. C. Honk your horn and proceed. Answer B. Yield to pedestrians in the crosswalk. Always ensure the intersection is clear before proceeding. Question 25. When driving at night, you should A. Always use high beams. B. Use low beams when other vehicles are present. C. Only use fog lights. Answer. B. Use low beams when other vehicles are present. This prevents blinding other drivers. Question 26. If a driver is approaching you with their high beams on, you should A. Flash your high beams quickly. B. Look toward the right side of the road. C. Try to retaliate by turning on your high beams. Answer. B. Look toward the right side of the road. This prevents being blinded by the other vehicle's headlights. Question 27. The safe and legal passing of another vehicle requires that a driver A. Make sure the passing lane is clear of traffic and checks behind and to the left to make sure another car is not attempting to pass. B. Pass when the lane marking is a solid line. C. Always flash their headlights and sound their horn. Answer. A. Make sure the passing lane is clear of traffic and checks behind and to the left to make sure another car is not attempting to pass. Question 28. It is illegal to park A. In an intersection. B. Within 50 feet of a railroad crossing. C. Both A and B. Answer. C. Both A and B. Both situations can create hazards and impede traffic. Question 29. When sharing the road with a trolley or light rail vehicle. A. Remember they have the same rights and responsibilities as larger vehicles. B. Always pass a light rail vehicle or trolley slowly on the right. C. Never turn in front of an approaching trolley or light rail vehicle. Answer. C. Never turn in front of an approaching trolley or light rail vehicle. These vehicles can't stop quickly. Question 30. If there are two solid yellow lines in the center of the roadway, you A. May cross the lines to turn left. B. Are on a two-lane one-way street. C. Should treat them as a solid wall and not cross for any reason. Answer. A. May cross the lines to turn left. These lines indicate no passing, but left turns are allowed if the way is clear. Question 31. On a road which has no sidewalks, a pedestrian should walk on the A. Left side facing traffic. B. Right side with the traffic. C. Closest side to their destination. Answer. A. Left side facing traffic. This allows the pedestrian to see oncoming vehicles and take evasive action if necessary. Question 32. True or false? Motorcycles have the same rights and responsibilities as other motor vehicles on public roadways. Answer. True. Motorcycles should be given the same space and respect as other vehicles. Question 33. If you are driving and the rear end of your car starts skidding to the left, you should A. Turn your steering wheel to the left. B. Turn your steering wheel to the right. C. Keep the steering wheel straight. Answer. A. Turn your steering wheel to the left. If your rear wheels are skidding left, steer left to regain control. Question 34. True or false? Using a hands-free device, like Bluetooth, to talk on the phone while driving is completely safe. Answer. False. Even with hands-free devices, the conversation can be a distraction and take your attention away from the road. Question 35. When driving in fog, you should use A. Low beam headlights. B. High beam headlights. C. Fog lights only. Answer. A. Low beam headlights. High beams can reflect off the fog and decrease visibility. Question 36. When driving near heavy trucks, other drivers and highway users must make allowances for A. The increased stopping distance required by the large vehicles. B. The truck driver's blind spots. C. Both A and B. Answer. C. Both A and B. Large vehicles have blind spots and need more space to stop. Question 37. To avoid sudden last-minute moves, how far ahead should you look when scanning the road for hazards? A. 6 to 8 seconds. B. 10 to 15 seconds. C. 20 to 25 seconds. Answer. B. 10 to 15 seconds. This gives you enough time to react to obstacles in your path. Question 38. When two vehicles from different directions arrive at the same time at a four-way stop, which driver should yield the right-of-way? A. The driver on the right. B. The driver who signals first. C. The driver who moves first. Answer. A. The driver on the right. At four-way stops, the vehicle to the right has the right-of-way. Question 39. You may pass another vehicle on the right if it is waiting to A. Turn right. B. Turn left. C. Park at the curb. Answer. B. Turn left. Passing on the right is allowed in this situation as long as it is safe and you don't leave the paved or main traveled portion of the road. Question 40. When driving under icy or snowy conditions, which driving technique should you avoid? A. Reducing your speed. B. Applying the brakes gently. C. Using cruise control. Answer. C. Using cruise control. Cruise control can cause the vehicle to skid in slippery conditions. Question 41. When you are being tailgated, A. Increase your speed to create distance. B. Brake quickly to scare the other driver. C. Reduce your speed slowly or merge into another lane. Answer. C. Reduce your speed slowly or merge into another lane. Avoid confrontations and let the tailgater pass. Question 42. The road edge on the right side is marked by a blank line. A. Broken yellow. B. Solid white. C. Broken white. Answer. B. Solid white. This line separates the edge of the road from the travel lane. Question 43. True or false? You can be fined and jailed for not wearing your seatbelt. Answer. True. In Ohio, it's mandatory to wear seatbelts and violators can face penalties. Question 44. The best advice for cell phone use while driving is A. Use hands-free devices so you can keep both hands on the steering wheel. B. Only use your phone in emergencies. C. Do not use your phone while driving. Answer. C. Do not use your phone while driving. Even with hands-free devices, phone conversations can be distracting. Question 45. A yellow traffic sign serves as A. Guide for drivers. B. Warning. C. Direction for prohibition. Answer. B. Warning. Yellow signs warn drivers about conditions on or near the road. Question 46. When driving near a blind pedestrian who is carrying a white cane or using a guide dog, you should A. Slow down and be prepared to stop. B. Honk your horn to let them know you are there. C. Drive around them. Answer. A. Slow down and be prepared to stop. Always give blind pedestrians the right of way. Question 47. True or false? A dashed white line between lanes of traffic means that you may cross it to change lanes if it is safe. Answer. True. A dashed white line indicates that lane changes are allowed when safe. Question 48. In Ohio, a flashing red traffic signal at an intersection means A. Slow down and proceed with caution. B. The same as a stop sign. C. Yield to other traffic and pedestrians. Answer. B. The same as a stop sign. A flashing red requires drivers to stop. Question 49. If a tire suddenly goes flat while driving, you should A. Slam on the brakes and come to a complete stop. B. Gradually slow down and pull off the road. C. Turn the steering wheel rapidly back and forth. Answer B. Gradually slow down and pull off the road. Avoid sudden movements that can cause loss of control. Question 50. True or false? If you are involved in a crash, you should leave your vehicle in the roadway. Answer false. If possible and safe, move your vehicle out of the way of traffic. If it's not safe to move the vehicle, then stay inside until help arrives.